Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To install Eclipse on Ubuntu, you can use the following steps. 1. Download Eclipse. Visit the official Eclipse website at https://www.eclipse.org/downloads and download the Eclipse IDE for Java developers or any other version you prefer. 2. Extract Eclipse. Once the download is complete, navigate to the directory where the downloaded file is located and extract it using the following command. 3. Move Eclipse to op directory. Move the extracted Eclipse folder to the op directory using the following command. 4. Create a symbolic link. To make Eclipse accessible system-wide, create a symbolic link in the /usr/bin directory using the following command. 5. Create a desktop entry. Create a desktop entry for Eclipse by creating a .desktop file using the following command. Add the following content to the file. Replace icon and exec paths accordingly. 6. Install Java Development Kit, JDK. Eclipse requires Java to run. If you don't have JDK installed, you can install it using. Now, to uninstall Eclipse from Ubuntu, you can follow these steps. 1. Remove Eclipse directory. Delete the Eclipse folder from the op directory using the following command. 2. Remove symbolic link. Remove the symbolic link from the /usr/bin directory using the following command. 3. Remove desktop entry. Delete the desktop entry file using the following command. By following these steps, you can install and uninstall Eclipse on Ubuntu easily.